Hey, I'm Melissa with DK Custom Products. If you own a Harley Davidson and want to save money, learn more about your motorcycle, and gain confidence working on it, the first thing you need isn't a lift, a tuner, or fancy toolbox. You need the right basic tools. Today we're going to go over the essential tools every Harley owner should have in their garage. These are the tools we use almost every day, whether we are doing maintenance, installing upgrades, or troubleshooting problems, many of which you have seen in our videos. The most important tool, before we talk about wrenches and sockets, let's talk about the most important tool of all, a service manual. The factory service manual contains Torx specs with diagrams, procedures, and troubleshooting information specific to your motorcycle. If you're going to work on your own Harley, this should be one of the first purchases you make. You will save time, frustration, and expensive mistakes. The next thing you'll need is a quality socket set. Most Harley Davidsons use standard SAE fasteners, although newer bikes also have metric hardware in certain locations, such as brakes, suspension, and some axles. A good 1/4 inch and 3/8 inch drive socket set will handle most jobs. You will use these for fuel tanks, exhaust systems, suspension, air cleaners, floorboards, engine accessories. You'll reach for sockets more than almost any other tool in your toolbox. If you're working on a Harley, Allen and Torx tools are absolutely essential. Harley uses Torx fasteners all over the motorcycle. Fairings, hand controls, body panels, brake components, and countless other areas. A complete set of both Allen and Torx sockets will save you from stripping hardware and making simple jobs much harder than they need to be. A ball and Allen key comes in very handy when removing or installing an intake manifold. A torque wrench. This is a tool that many riders skip, and they shouldn't. A torque wrench helps ensure fasteners are tightened correctly. Too loose and parts can come apart. Too tight and you can damage threads and expensive components, particularly on a Harley Davidson that shakes and rattles endlessly. When installing suspension, brake components, engine parts, and accessories, a torque wrench isn't optional, it is necessary. A quality screwdriver set is another must-have. You'll use them for electrical work, clamps, trim pieces, and countless small jobs. A magnetic tip is a nice bonus that can save a lot of frustration, especially when working in tight spaces. Every Harley owner should have needle nose pliers. Regular pliers, side cutters, and a good set of locking pliers. These come in handy for everything from wiring work to stubborn clips and fasteners. If you plan on doing any electrical troubleshooting, a multimeter is one of the most valuable tools you can own. It allows you to check battery voltage, charging system performance, continuity, ground connections, and wiring issues. Many electrical problems can be diagnosed in minutes with the multimeter. Without one, you're often just guessing. I can't count how often we have come across wires not color-coded in conjunction with the service manual. Sooner or later, you'll want to get the bike off the ground. Whether you're changing suspension, inspecting tires, or performing maintenance, a motorcycle lift makes life much easier. You don't need the most expensive lift available, but having a safe way to support the motorcycle is a huge advantage. This one sounds simple, but good lighting makes every job easier. A rechargeable LED work light lets you see areas that would otherwise be hidden, and it helps to prevent mistakes. Many problems become obvious once you can actually see them. One of the most underrated tools in any garage is a simple pick set. These are great for removing O-rings, routing wires, removing clips, cleaning tight spaces, and dozens of other small jobs. You'll be surprised how often you'll use them. If you ever dropped a bolt in the darkest corner of your garage, you'll already know why this belongs on the list. A magnetic tray keeps hardware organized and prevents parts from disappearing while you're working. They are inexpensive and worth every penny. Don't forget safety glasses and gloves. Gloves can sometimes carry a stigma when doing mechanical work, but you'll be glad you have them when doing roadside repair to a hot bike. A simple injury can turn a fun afternoon in the garage into a bad day very quickly. The good news is you don't have to have thousands of dollars of tools to work on your Harley. A basic collection of quality tools will handle most maintenance, upgrades, and repairs. Start with the essential tools, and as your skill sets grow, you can grow your tools. And before long, you'll be surprised how much work you can do yourself. If you're a Harley owner, let us know in the comments what tools you use the most. And if you're just getting started working on your own bike, tell us what project you'll be planning next. Like, comment, hit that notification bell so you will be notified when new videos come out. Until next time, y'all ride safe out there.